Hi again, everyone. As I said, the next playlist is about using SVG in observable notebooks. And so SVG is a way that you can do graphics inside a web page. And you can put your SVG code right in, mixed in with your HTML. And the first thing that you need, though, is you need a container where you can put all of the shapes and things that you draw. So in this first video, I'll show you how to make an SVG container. So all I have here is my title. I have a new notebook open here and no libraries or anything like that imported. And my title. So I'll go ahead and open up a new cell and I'll put some HTML here. And now we'll learn a new element. This is an SVG element, but it looks just like an HTML element with an opening and closing tag. And you'll see that even that is just enough. If I enter that, observable has some default styling, and it's actually providing you now with a container, and you can go inside that container now and draw circles and rectangles and so forth. Let's style it a little bit though. So I like to stack these because eventually we'll put lots of stuff inside the SVG tags. But what we can do is we can give it some attributes here. So we could give it a height. I kind of like 300 for teaching purposes. So you can see that makes it a little larger. All right, and then I like also 600 for the width. Okay, so we get a larger container. Let me see if I can do some zooming here. Okay, and then what we could do is just style it. So we'll put a style attribute here. Let's do border first. So border. So remember, border has you put a couple values in here. So we'll go with a black border, 1 pixel, solid. All right, and so now you can see our container. Another thing we could do is we could put a different background color. So in here in the CSS rules, let's just put a semicolon at the end there. So background color, how about light cyan? So there you go. All right. So that's our setup. Very simple. So we're off and running. I think I'm going to go though with just white for now as the background. All right, so we can start with some shapes in the next video.